Today we're going to open a locked restroom door that maybe a guest has come over or a grandchild and they've accidentally locked the door and now you're locked out, which normally isn't a big deal. If you have a second bathroom, obviously you can use that and this can be opened at a later time, or you can look above the door and you will see a key normally, and what you can do is in these locks there's an access hole just there, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the key into the access hole and turn it and the door will open. Alternatively, if you don't have an access cabinet, what you can do in that famous drunk drawer that we all have, pick a screwdriver which has a flat head, any of these really will do, and what you can do again, just slide it into the access hole and turn it and it will open the door. And thirdly, which is a bit more adventurous, which you can try, is you can get a paper clip which in its real life used to look like this. You can bend it over and on the shorter side you can insert that into the door. And now this does take a couple of tricks, I will tell you now. And open it that way. Okay, we're back, and this is a more common lock. This is a quick set lock, again for a bathroom, and the access point is here. So again, if you get locked out, check above the door frame, see if you could find the key. And with this key, the access point is in the middle, so you can pop it in there, find where the lock is, turn it and open it up, and that's it. And again, for this one you can also use a screwdriver. You get the thin flat head, you're going to pop it in there, turn it, and that's it. So I hope this all helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call the office.